Hi, I'm Joe Shannon, and I'm with the law firm of Shannon Law Group here in Chicago. Our firm helps people recover when they are injured due to side effects from vaccines. One of the persons at our firm that works on these cases every single day is Rhonda Lorenz-Pignato, and I'm happy to have this conversation with her about the program, specific tips for you, and information just in general for you. Also, it's important that you learn about this from other sources. We have a book that was written by one of our attorneys, Jonathan Svitek, which goes through the basics of the vaccine injury compensation program. And so you're going to want to download that from our website at shannonlawgroup.com, or check out some of the videos from our YouTube channel at Shannon Law Group, as well as any of the other social media apparatus that we use. But I wanted to introduce first Rhonda. Rhonda's been a lawyer practicing in medical negligence types cases, other liability forums, and has been an arbitrator in hundreds of cases. And most recently has been working a lot in the vaccine injury compensation program. So I want to welcome you, Rhonda, to the program.
Thank you, Joe. Appreciate it.
First of all, Rhonda, tell us a little bit about yourself, your background as a lawyer.
Well, as you said, I've done a lot of various different types of litigation, but a good substantial chunk of that is in the arena of medical malpractice and some general personal injury. I've been able to see that field from both sides, but most of my work so far has been from the defense side.
So, and the vaccine injury program is not a jury program. It's more of a special master who decides these types of cases. And it's all handled in DC, just so people understand all this, how this all works out. And it's not going to give people the full justice of the case. Is that your experience?
Yes. I mean, there's a limited number of damages you can recover from this program. So if somebody has a death as a result of a vaccine or a very devastating injury, if they were to file locally, local personal injury case because some company had done that to them, they may be able to recover millions upon millions of dollars. There are certain limitations as to what you can recover in this program, but it is a substantial amount. So if you are an injury, you definitely should explore this as an option of some compensation for having an injury from your vaccine.
I think the maximum amount that can recover in non-economic damages is in the order of right now about $250,000. Isn't that right?
Well, there's 4 elements of damages that you can recover in the program.
Let's talk about that.
Sure. To back up, first of all, there's 2 parts to a vaccine injury claim. The first part is causation, and that's you're showing that you had a vaccine that's covered under the program and you had an injury that is either covered in the table of the program or you've been able to prove facts that it is connected. So a determination is made or an agreement is made that the vaccine caused the injury. So that's the first part of the petition process. The second part is once you've established causation, you get to then prove what damages you have. And they're divided into 4 categories. The first category is out-of-pocket expenses. So that's anything that you pulled out of your pocket for things that aren't covered by insurance, any special devices you need, co-pays, that type of thing. The second element of damages relates to lost wages. If you lost some wages in the past due to your injury, or if you have proof that you will lose wages in the future, that can be established as well. The third category is future medical costs. So some of these injuries are permanent in nature or can be devastating to certain people, and they will need care for the rest of their life. So through expert testimony and proof, you can prove what those future medical costs will be, and the program is meant to compensate you for that as well. But the fourth category, which is the category that many of my clients are interested in, is pain and suffering, and that is the category that is capped. It's capped at $250,000, no matter what type of injury you are. That's as much as you can be compensated for your pain and suffering.
Just to be clear then, on the first couple that, for lost wages, say for example, like a surgeon gets a vaccine and the side effects that she has is that she can't do her job as a surgeon anymore, and she's going to be losing $500,000 a year for the next 50 years. Is there any cap on her recovery for that?
I don't believe there is. No, I have not seen anything that caps that.
Talking to Rhonda Lorenz-Pignato. Here she is in our latest newsletter. Rhonda has worked with us for over a year now, and we're more than thrilled to have her as part of our team. As you can see, she's eloquent. She's prepared to represent our clients. She's a person juries will like, and special masters in the vaccine injury compensation program will really appreciate. And we really appreciate you coming on the show, Rhonda. Will you come back again sometime?
Absolutely. It's been a pleasure, Joe. It's been a pleasure working with you. It's been a pleasure being part of Shannon Law Group. I'm so proud to be one of the gang here. Really is a stand-up place where anyone can come and they know that their rights will be protected and fought for.
Rhonda, thanks so much for coming on board and helping us today. And we'll be sure to talk to you again about some other issues of the day.
Thank you, Joe. Have a great day.
Listen, if you like these videos, if you like the content that we're providing to you, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Shannon Law Group. You can text me at my personal number, which is 312-847-2428. 312-847-2428.